Today and every Monday, we're making sure you understand the law. But first, we do want to say this. This segment is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice. No attorney-client relationship is formed by watching or participating in this segment. You will, of course, want to reach out to an attorney for any specific legal advice. So we've got the paperwork out of the way, and joining us in studio today is Marshall Rice from Rice and Kindig. And Marshall, today we're talking about who's responsible for boating accident injuries in Louisiana. Obviously, this time of year, a lot of people are out on the boat.
Yeah, we live in, the sportsman's paradise. Yep. And plenty of lakes and rivers to, enjoy. And with that comes boating.
Yep.
And the main thing when you're driving a boat, the person who drives the boat, the operator, that's the captain, and the captain of the boat's responsible for his passengers.
Yeah, absolutely. And operator negligence is a common cause of boating injuries. And what goes into that?
So operator negligence can be several things. It could be distracted, driving over speed, maybe driving in a no wake zone.
Yeah.
Oftentimes we see in boating people use alcohol while they're driving a boat. Yeah. And all those are operator negligence, and they can lead to injuries.
And obviously, you're out on the boat. It is a time that the drinks are flowing a little bit. But
yeah.
If you're driving or piloting that boat, it's no different than if you were driving a car drunk.
That's exactly right. If you're drinking and driving a boat, that's the same as a DWI, just as if you were driving a car.
And you talk about that operator negligence if you were to maybe crash into another boat, but even the passengers on the boat, they could be up for some compensation as well, right?
Yeah, so first off, if boats collide and injuries occur, there's definitely damages for medical bills, pain and suffering, all the things that come along, lost wages, disability. But also you could be a passenger in the boat, say someone takes a hard turn, they're driving too fast, they hit something and throw somebody out, or somebody gets run over from water skiing.
Right.
Again, the same rules apply to that situation as well.
And I know we talk about this kind of with all these cases, but it's important if you are involved in a boating accident or anything to report that right away.
Yeah, I mean the main thing is to call the authorities, get help, get the EMTs there, make sure that everything is investigated by the authorities. Shreveport Police patrols Cross Lake. You've got the Wildlife and Fisheries who patrol most of the other, game wardens patrol most of the other lakes, and you want to get them out there to make sure everybody's safe.
Right, so the most important thing here is just stay safe out on the water.
Stay safe on the water, wear your life jackets,
yeah.
And don't drink and drive a boat.
That is the most important piece right there, Marshall. We appreciate you taking some time to chat with us today.
Thanks, Alex.